Thitango cia Atatu aya aria ni hamwe na Ngavana Okoth Obado, muteithiriria wake Michael Oyamo na karani Caspal Otieno icokaniriirio hamwe muthenya wa umuthi pira mucirithania Jessie Lessit na mathitango na thitango igiri cia kuraga Sharon Otieno na mwana wake uria ohete agikua.
There are 2 counts of murder, contrary section 203, as read section 204 of the penal code. The first count, the particulars are that the 3 of you, that is Migori Okoth Obado, number 1, number 2, Michael Oyamo, and number 3, Caspal Otieno, between the 3rd and the 4th of September this year at Ohete area in Rachuonyo sub-county within Homa Bay County, joined with others who are not before the court, in murdered Sharon Otieno.
Ona kuri uguo ni mareganire na thitango icio kuria mahoire marekererio na bodi o cira wa ugithiaga na mbere riendekithia riria mwena wa thitango reganite nario ukiuga magirekererio na bodi maya kuingirira ira cira-ini ucio.
Our position is that if the court is inclined to allow them to file their replying affidavit, then that replying affidavit be restricted to issues that they are responding to, so that they don't bring new issues, so that when we come back, we'll be seeking further leave to respond to the new issues introduced. Let them restrict their reply.
Aciari Sharon makihita kwaga kuhuruka nginya kihoto kia mwana wao githigatwo makiuga ni giko kiuru kiria kiimite ciana kihoto gia gukorwo na nyina wao kuria monanitie mwihoko munene na igoti.
That justice be found for Sharon and baby Sharon. I only pray for justice, knowing very well that the honorable court shall deliver justice for Sharon.
I'm tired. So much perplexed seeing my daughter
in the mortuary.
Ariu Atatu aya meguthie na mbere guikara rumande nginya tariki 12 riria makamenya kana ni makarekererio na bodi kana aca.
I've extended to all of you.
Very well.
Yeah.
You're most obliged.
It's on record so that you don't go saying I did not.
Very well. I'm most obliged.
Itua riri rikinyanirio riri nake Joseph Irogo mwikoirwo munene gikuine kia Monica Kimani atanyitwo gukinyo igoti-ini muthenya wa rucio kuria igoti rigatua kana ni akarekererio na bodi kana aca. Obado akoretwo rumande kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri njera-ini industrial area kuria arakorirwo agitwarwo thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta thutha wa kwihirwo ni thina wa nda. Akumana na itua ria mucirithania Jessie Lessit, leo Ngavana Obado eguthie na mbere guikara moko-ini ma borithi uthuthuria ugithiaga na mbere nginya tariki 12 riria akamenya kana ni agakorwo akirekererio na bodi. Hadi na Hakameme TV, njitagwo Maina Kihumo.